MİTAŞ Industry Izmir facility opened in 2024 as part of our global growth vision. Built on a 159,000 square meter area with an annual production capacity of 120,000 tons. Equipped with state-of-the-art technology and a team of qualified professionals, ensuring reliable, high-quality production. At Mitaș Industry Izmir, we lead with agility, innovation, and a strong customer focus. We ensure agile and innovative production by prioritizing customer-focused quality, delivering on time, continuously adopting the latest technologies, and positioning ourselves as pioneers in the sector. We deliver on time, embrace continuous improvement, and proudly shape the future of our industry.